So I thought I'd make a quick update on the current weather outlook for Glastonbury as it stands today, Monday the 16th. So still 9 days until gates, during which time the forecast could still change significantly. At the moment, it looks like there's going to be a good spell of weather this week in London with high pressure, high temperatures, and lots of sunshine. In fact, it's a full-on heat wave to properly kick the summer off. Based on the Met Office long range, as we move into next week, it looks like the weather will start to deteriorate, particularly in the north and west of England, with the pressure falling and less good weather moving in from the Atlantic. Just to make a point about emoji forecasts, if you look at Meteo Blue, which does at least provide a predictability rating, things would appear to be sunny and warm for Glastonbury with no precipitation. However, if we look past the emojis at some meteograms, we can see that the picture is possibly looking a bit less rosy, with the Wind Guru blended model suggesting heavy cloud and some rain on the Wednesday night and into Thursday. Looking at some further meteograms, the GFS, which is the global American model, shows a similar picture with a decent amount of rain on the Wednesday night and into Thursday, and fairly heavy cloud on Friday. The ECMWF, which is the European model, is less optimistic and thinks that there's going to be a pretty noticeable amount of rain all the way through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If we then look at GraphCast, which is one of the more accurate long-range AI-based models, and it's based on Google's DeepMind, we can see a pretty clear picture of rain across the west and north of the UK on Wednesday and into Thursday. Precipitation is one of the hardest things to predict with a weather forecast, and this far in advance, it's really only the macro pressure patterns that are at all useful. From the ensemble model here, there's an average across, that's an average across a lot of simulations. We can see that there is likely to be a low pressure system in the North Atlantic that could be delivering some wet weather fronts midway through next week. Let's just hope that ridge of high pressure from the Azores fills in behind the rain to brighten up the rest of the festival weekend. Stay tuned for the Met Office 10-day trend video, which will come out on Wednesday for a more detailed look at the Glastonbury weather forecast.